Welcome to our Quick Fixes series. This series focuses on giving you easy solutions to your common SYSPRO challenges. Welcome to Quick Fixes episode 1. In today's episode, we're going to focus on resetting your layout page, setting your password, and adding a field in your layout page. So let's get started. You are using the Sales Order Entry Express program, and this is your original layout. Let's say for some reason your layout becomes scrambled or even different from how it looks right now, maybe with more information or even less information. How do you get it back to the original layout? So as you can see, there's more information than you originally needed on the screen. And this can also happen when you have less of the information that you need on the screen. Now, this is how you would reset the layout page. So you click on this icon right here, and you will click on Reset Layout. And your layout page will go back to the original setup. Now, taking it back to the cluttered and more information than we need layout page, just to show you another way of resetting your layout page. So we're going to close this program. So we're going to go to Home, Personalize, and we're going to go to List Views, and we're going to click on Reset Views, and we're going to say yes. Okay. Going to scroll. Okay, perfect. It has been ticked. And we're going to go to Docking Panes, and we're going to click on Reset Layouts, and we're going to say yes, and we're going to save, and we're going to come back to the Sales Order Entry Express program. Okay, and we're just going to make it bigger. As you can see, the page has been reset to the original page layout. So let's say you logged into SYSPRO for the first time and you haven't set your password just yet. This is how you would do it. So you would go to Setup, Passwords, Change My Password, and here you would enter your password. Okay, and if you want to see if you typed your password correctly, you can click on the 3 dots right here, and it will show you the password that you just entered. After you're done entering your new password and confirming your new password, you're going to click on Save. When you log back into SYSPRO, it will ask you for a password that you just entered. Let's say, for example's sake, you are using the Sales Order Entry Express program and you want to see Allow Zero Quantity on these options when you add your line item. So what you're going to do is you're going to right click on the headings right here, and you're going to go to Field Chooser, and you're going to look for Allow Zero Quantity, and you're going to drag it and place it where you would like for it to be on your layout screen. I'm going to close this, and there you have it. And again, if you want to remove it, you can just easily drag it and let go. And that's how you add or remove a field on a layout page. That's it for this week's quick fix. See you next time.